Okay guys, I'm back and we're going to do a pour with the hair dryer. So I'm going to flood the canvas. This is a 3D canvas, one of those higher ones. So I'm going to flood it with black because I almost never do black. But this time I am going to do black. So let's see if we can flood that. I think I can do it with this one. So we make sure that we have it nicely covered. A little bit more. There we go. Oh, I almost forgot that I promised someone I would show them those tulip fields. You know, in Holland we have a lot of tulip fields, so a lot of people think that is really interesting. I do too, but I don't live close to that, so I don't see that very often. But I'm going to put a video together with those tulip fields, and I'm going to show you where I really would like to live, because that's really close to those tulip fields. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna put together one of those videos. I'm pretty sure you'll get a kick out of it, seeing all those tulips. Well, not only tulips, there are more things that they put in the ground there. I think I don't know how you call them, hyacinths. Well, anything with those bulbs. So they have a lot of that. So that's what we're going to do. That's what I'm going to do for you guys, to show you that. So there we go. A little bit not here on the side. That's nice and covered. Now all I need is the sides, but I'm going to wait with the sides, because I think that's the thing to do. You can see a lot of raised things, bits of paint, but that's okay because we're going to be putting more paint on this. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to give it a little pillow. And a pillow is what we put, like, to put the rest of the colors of paint on. The Shelley art style has this pillow of paint where they put that on. So that's that. Now I'm going to be using bronze, a really beautiful bronze color. This is really beautiful. So we're going to pour that on. Not too much. Then we're going to put the blue. Now I mix this blue myself. This is phthalo blue and green. And then I added a little bit of Windsor blue, and of course titanium, and that worked out really well. So then the other color is gold. I'm going to put the gold on top, and a little bit of blue again, not too much, just in the middle. And then I'm going to finish it off with the bronze. Put the bronze in there, and there's no silicone in the paint. So that's the colors. Then we're going to do a little bit more of the background color. We're going to pour that around it like that. And now I'm going to blow it with the hair dryer. So let's see. Don't want any heat. Now that's looking okay, but I think I do miss the silicone. As you can see, there are a couple of little ones, but those little ones are because of the air bubbles in the paint, so you don't really get cells like we're used to. So I'm gonna be putting it in because I don't think that's enough color. And you can't really see the bronze popping through. I can, but I'm sure you can't. So if you have this that you blow it and you think it's not that pretty, you don't like it that much, then you can add another bit of paint. So we're going to do a little bit more of the bronze and the gold, just to get it a little bit more blue, because I think that's not enough blue. And I want the bronze back in the middle. And we're going to do that around there. Zippity-doo-dar. There we go. And we're going to blow it again. Now the thing is that I'm looking here on the monitor and I don't see almost no metallics, but there's a lot of metallics in here. So now I'm going to come in with a little bit more, because I do want it to have something, I don't know, it's just not enough for me. There's a lot of cells going on, that's kind of nice, but I'm gonna be blowing it a little bit more to see what it does, and I'm not really satisfied with it at all. I'm not really thinking it's that pretty, although there you can see that the metallics are popping through, but it's not really what I was looking for. I think I need more color, but we can always do a swipe. So I'm going to do a swipe. I'm going to just add a little bit more and see what happens when we swipe this. And this is the fun part, because I wasn't sure how this metallic was going to turn out, but I'm going to see what we can do when we swipe it. I really like the blue a lot more, so we're going to see what happens. Okay. Now for something to swipe it with. I think we can swipe it with this. So, gonna add a little bit more paint up on top. We're gonna lay down this, and then we're gonna come down and swipe it. And I'm going to torch it. See what happens down here. If it's nice, I'll do the other bits. Oh, you can almost not see what's happening. That's so strange. But look up close, see that? It's really, really pretty. Now I'm thinking, you know, that is not enough. So we're gonna do that just one more time. Give it a little bit more of this bronze. Give it a little bit of gold. And I really like where the gold touches the blue, because it gives a sort of a greenish thing. So we're going to do that again, and this time I'm going to swipe it with one of those credit card things, just to see if we can get a little bit of a different effect. So there we go. A little bit more paint on here, and maybe one more try with the paper. Nah, let's not do that. I can do it with this one. Let's see. Okay. There it goes. Now let's see what happens when we torch this. There should be a little bit more color. Well, there's a lot of gold popping up, but I've totally lost the blue, as you can see. So we're going to do it again. This time I'm going to do it different. This is what I want there. And I want a long one in the middle. It has to be a little bit wider than the other one. And I want one down here. Just keep on working it. That's it. Credit card. Let's see what happens. That's looking better. Now we have some color. That looks a little bit better. That looks good. Although you're not seeing what I'm seeing. And we're going to do that again. Only this time we're going to pull it down this way. Okay. Cleaning off the card. Okay, let's see what happens. Oops, gotta clean it. Okay, that's looking a little bit more like something I do like, but not enough. Sorry guys, but I really want to do something to it that makes it look even better. I'm not sure if this is going to work. See? That looks cool. Yeah. Wow, that looks really nice. Got to do a couple of more of those because it sinks in a little bit, but it also leaves a lot of cells on the top. But I do have to keep cleaning my card. There you go. That looks really nice. I'm gonna do the sides. They're gonna just be black, so I have to take off the excess paint. Let's see if I have a good brush. Yep. I don't want too many drips on the side. I'll show you a close-up because right from there it's not that not that interesting, but I think it has to do with the lighting or something like that. Oh, maybe a little bit of bronze. Let's not stop here. But I'd like it to have the bronze on the bottom. Right there and right here. Okay, let's see what happens. Oops, that's not too much bronze. So is that. And we want to pull it up. That's nice. Okay. That is looking really wild. Okay, gotta take off my gloves, otherwise I can't show you a close-up. Look at the close-up. Let's get you into focus. See how the gold is really, it's really nice. So is the bronze. I really like it. See all the different effects? There's a lot of glare in the, oh, that's better. But you have to have the glare, otherwise you can't see that it's bronze and gold. So that's what we're going to stop with. So guys, it was a struggle, but we got something we liked. Just never give up. Love you all to pieces. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.